Medo eko oforikro mansini mo na eho Aprade MA basic ensu ato na famana no woden ama school dan be semiesa so nyina pa sese no kwada no nam se school dan no so apenti no yakeka omabom ne keji ne class 1 for ne class 2 nyina eti dan bakuma emoa emma enwomasua enkoso
Ukopiem ewa Aprade MA basic school wo forikro Asante mantemu a ensuo ato emma nchanse eboso eswapa ya ahadwene yi pa na mmafo mu Aprade no mu be sa apem ena school yi asom wo no mu a enya samketo na so nanu ensuo eto yi ahawo mu yi pa Dorothy Opare ene pani kwankyerefo a hwenwumasua so ewo forikro mensini mu ena okọ honom ekokohwe ese ne dwumadi no siti a ode nsem sei atudwa
Aprade me nkwan boni in fact me wo fie na me headmistress of Frame say ensue na eto enrano affected the blocks, some of the blocks until there was a Russian pay na me behwe me buy am pan so wo hwe KG block na wo hwe at the other block na ho no basic 4 na omo ho no wo se se na etene de enya ade om betumi atena mu osua de ntime ba ha behwe ye na aba ne say yen combine classes no
Diana Osu Asadu na ye headmistress of school no wachire se sadia esi emema mofra no kra no wonu mani nje so no mbebe school.
Yesterday there was this heavy rain, and so as you can see the roof has already been ripped off. She has said so much, but there are other things I would like to add. Now it is going to affect us very much due to the attendance of the pupils. It is going to reduce the attendance because those who don't like coming to school, this will be an opportunity for them to stay away. This morning when we came, they were shouting, so we are going home, we are going home. We wouldn't want this to happen. And so we are pleading to the government and to the general public to help us solve this situation. Once again, we don't have a wall for the school. And because of that, we get people coming in, walking through the school compound, including mad men and women who have used this place as their sleeping place. They even threatened us. Once there was a guy who came in to say that he's going to stab any teacher. So we are pleading if something can be done about this.